winds, they speak in voices low, through mossy beds where echoes grow. The wind, it whispers, don't you know? Dance with the earth, let it carry you. Feel the pulse of the morning dew, whispers of the forest, ancient and true. The heart of nature beats in you. The stars are sparks of a cosmic fire, flickering dreams that never tire, a bridge between earth and something higher. The meadow blooms with colors untold, each petal a story, each leaf is gold, a fleeting touch of the world so bold.